welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah Martin with the Contoured Chemist. Can I just say, if you were one of the many thousands who watched my previous intro video and are still here, you're a rock star. Oh my gosh, why did it take me so long to edit that and change it and update it? I have been here on YouTube for years. I have been an artist with now Saint Beauty, no longer mascara, if you watch the old one, for 4 years now. So I thought it was time to update it because every time I opened my channel and saw that, it scared me a little bit. I will be honest. I think I've changed a little bit. I know I've learned a lot. I'll tell you one thing that hasn't changed is my love for makeup and beauty products. So over here, I love sharing with you guys all my faves. So you will see lots of tutorials on makeup, specifically 3D foundation, and now the new line Demi Color as well. Skincare. I have become a skincare junkie since filming that last one. You can probably tell lots has changed. So I love to teach you guys and use my chemistry background to teach you more about skincare ingredients and all of the things. Yes, you heard that right. I call it past life, I was an organic chemist. I taught at a university for years before staying home with my kids and then starting this business. So I consider myself a beauty educator. If it is beauty related, I can teach you about it. Everything from hair, skin, makeup, product junkie. If I come across any that I have to share with you guys, I will share those over here as well. You guys are loving my favorite video, my get ready with me's, and so I'm gonna keep doing it. If you have any suggestions on what you wanna see on this channel, if you are an OG and have been here for a while, please let me know in the comment below. Brand new, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay a while. You will find new videos every Wednesday here on YouTube. If you want to check out more content, I am constantly creating and I post the most over on Instagram. And then I also have a beauty group over on Facebook. I am the Contoured Chemist on all platforms and at thecontouredchemist.com. I love hearing what you guys want to see from me, so do not be a stranger. Be sure to say hi in the comments below. I'm here to teach you all of the things, so do not hesitate to ask me any questions you might have as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are the first to know when my new video drops. And as always, thanks for being here. Love you guys.